Hello and welcome to the SAT Math Calculator program for your TI-84 plus CE or your TI-84 plus CE Python calculator. Today, guess what? It's all going to be percents. It's super easy this last week before the August 2025 SAT. So we're going to be doing percents here. And you can see we've got percent change. They ask that a lot. Percent greater than, percent less than. A is B percent of C. We got percent help menu and back. So let's just get started and do all this. Actually, let me show you percent help menu to get started. Percent change, enter the old new values. Old is 5, new is 20. So A is B percent of C. So 8 is 12% of C. Any of these could be unknowns, by the way. That's the cool part because they always change it up. So let's talk about 210 is P percent greater than 30. So we're looking at percent greater than here, right? A is B percent greater than C. Oh my gosh, textbook question. They don't always work out so easily. But A is B percent greater than C. So guess what? What's unknown? Which one has the letter? B is the unknown. So check this out. We're going to choose option 2 here. And then what's the A value? Oh, that's 210. So you see, that's what helps. It's just kind of setting up guidelines here. It's like scoping a shot or something. C value is 30. And okay, 600. 210 is 600% greater. So there we go, 600. And everybody's happy. Good. We want to make everybody happy in this test. Okay, now check this out. A is B percent of C, right? So what are we going to do here? Oh, A is B percent of C, option 4 here. So look at this. What's the unknown? A is the unknown. Okay, good. What's the B? Now look, I know you guys have been trained like I was. Whenever you enter percent, move the decimal 2 to the left. So 10% would really be 0.10. Check it out. We're just going to enter 10. So if this calculator program, we enter percents, typically we're just going to be saying, hey, 10 for percent. Okay. C value is 470. So what is 10% of 470? 47. There you go. That's it. Okay, good. Okay. Now look, this next one, I don't think I have a super cool setup for this. A is 110%. What? Stop there. A is 110% greater than B. So, oh, dude, percent greater than. Oh, these mean people. I've got A, B, and C set up, but what we're going to do is do A, B, and C this way. So, oh, man. We got to do definitely a 2-step here. We're going to do this part first. Percent less than, let me go back. Sorry for that. I wasn't as wise as I thought I was. We're going to do A is B percent less than C. So check this out. We're going to do the red one first. So what is the unknown? The A is the unknown. I know you're like, hey, dude, it's B, but check it out. I'm labeling this A, B, and C in red. So what's the B value? That's 90. 90% less than 47. I know this A is 4.7, but actually that's for this B. So this is confusing. I know it's a mind freak. Forgive me. Okay, now we're going to rewrite the blue in aqua. I know it's strange. And we're going to be using funky letters. Okay, so A is 110% greater than 4.7. Because by the way, we solved that B is 4.7. Okay. So A is 110% greater than 4.7. So check this out. Percent greater than. What we're going to do. What is the unknown? A is the unknown. Okay. What's the B value? 110. A is 110% greater than 4.7. 9.87. That sounds about right. Okay, good. So 9.87. And just make sure, you are careful about this because carelessness is the enemy here. I know everybody's all about speed, but accuracy trumps speed. Okay. Now look, this next one, it's a wall of text. I know it scares people who are a little math phobic or at least, a little, math insecure. That's cool. 55 students in the Spanish club, sample of Spanish club students was selected at random and asked whether they intend to enroll in a new study program. Of those surveyed, so of the 55, 20% responded they intend to enroll in the study program. Based on the survey, which of the following is the best estimate of the total number of Spanish club students who intend to enroll? So basically we're saying what, that's the unknown, what is 20% of 55? right? Oh, A is B% of C. Check it out, option 4 here on the percents menu. So how do we do that? It's A is B% of C. This is 55, by the way. So what is the unknown? A is the unknown. Okay. The B value is 20 for 20%, and then 55 for C. Okay, cool. 11, we're good. A is 11. Okay, good. We continue. Now, here we go. Out of 300 seeds that were planted, 80% sprouted. How many of these seeds sprouted? How many of these seeds sprouted? Sorry, English is my first language, so it's still giving me difficulties. So basically, it's saying what is 80% of 300? Okay. What is 80% of 300? A is B% of C, right? So I'm going to go, I'll go this light blue here. A is B% of C. So that's option 4. And then what's the unknown? Oh, the A is the unknown because that's the what part. Okay. And then B is 80 again. We're going to put 80. I know 80%. We're just saying the B%. Okay. And then 300 is a C. Good, good. Oh, 240. 240. So 80% of 300 is 240. Okay, good. And look, you can go ahead and flame me in the comments like, hey, look at me. I can do this faster by hand. Yeah, I mean, if you're good at math, yeah, no problem. That's cool. I want to give you accolades, man. Kudos. But check it out. Some people are a little nervous about percents. This is who we're here for. Okay. Speaking of a little challenging, this one, it looks mild-mannered. It is not. The result of increasing the quantity X by 400% is 60. What's the value of X? So check it out. X by itself is 100% of X. Okay, this is so important, man. Hot pink box around it. Okay. So look, X is 100% of X. So really, 60 is 500% of X. Because it's, sorry for messed up fives here, people. Sorry about that. Okay. Because we have X, which is 100% of X, and then you're adding 400% to get 500%. So 60 is 500% of X. So A is 500% of X. So we're going to do option 4. And then what's the unknown? It's actually the C. C is the unknown. Okay. What's the A value? 60. And again, for percent, we're going to put 500. And I know you're like in your brain, it should be just 5.00. But we'll do that. Okay, so 12. So yeah, 60 is 500% of 12. Yeah, 5 times 12. Makes sense. Okay, good. If you have questions, put in the comments. This is just one of the submenu, or one of the many menus of the TI-84 calculator program. Let me just show you real quick. I know I'm plugging it. Algebra equations, linear equations. Oh my gosh. All these have a lot of submenus typically too. Got the more menu. Unit conversion. Oh, de-radicalization. Oh man, civilized governments wish they could do this to the religious radicals and political radicals in their population. But check it out. We can do it. De-radicalization. Let me just show you. I don't care. I'm going to do it. Rad 98, 7 rad 2, or 7 root 2, 7 square root of 2, depending who you are and where you are. Oh my gosh. We exited the program. Okay. Now, we're going to go back to percents, option 5. I'll try to stay on task. Excuse me. I've got probably undiagnosed ADD. What is 20% of 40? Okay, well, check this out. A is B% of C. Option 4. What is unknown? It's the what? It's the A in this case. A is the unknown. What's the B? 20? I know 20%. You're just, man, I know it's paining you to put 20 instead of 0.20. C is 440. There we go. 88, baby. There we go. Yeah, 20% of 440 because it's 0.2 times 440 is 88. Okay, good. Oh, man, this one is for the Americans taking the SAT. Somebody's got a bill. They want a 20% tip. The amount of Hannah's bill for food order is $50. Hannah gave a tip of 20% of the amount of the bill. What is the amount in dollars the tip Hannah gave? So basically what, if we write it as a sentence, what is 20% of 50? Because what is 20% of the bill? Okay, and that's A is B% of C. It's option 4 here. And what's the unknown? So labeling it again, I'll label it in red. A, B, C. It looks like A is the unknown again. It's not always unknown, but often is. 20, again, we're going to put 20 for 20%. And then 50. Oh my gosh, there we go. Oops, 50, not 50 minus. Oh, by the way, my friends, this negative symbol below the 3, this is the negative key. This is the minus key. So this is an operation like divide, multiply, subtract, add. This is the negative key here. Okay, so we got 10. Hannah gave a $10 tip. Everybody's happy. Okay, Isabel, let's do it. Isabel grows potatoes in her garden. This year, she harvested 760 potatoes and saved 10% of them to plant next year. How many of these harvested potatoes did Isabel save to plant next year? So what it's saying is what is 10% of 760? Okay. 10% of 760 is what she saved. So what is 10% of 760? So A, B, C. So A is B% of C, option 4. What's the unknown? Again, it's A. Now remember, it's not always A. Sometimes, it's B or C. Okay. 10 and then 760. I know it's grinding some people's gears that I put 10 for 10%. Forgive me. It's the way the program's created. Okay, 76. Oh my gosh, I think we're flying through this, probably halfway through. What percentage of 300 is 75? Now check this out. So if I reworded it, it's 75 is B% of 300. Just got our A, B, and C. Check it. Man, finally, a B is the unknown. It's option 4. A is B% of C. What's the unknown? Oh, yes, it's B. So its A value is 75. For some reason, I think it's 25%. Okay. C is 300. And our spidey sense is tingling, 25%. Sounds good. Okay, good. And again, if there's other things you'd like to see in this calculator program, let me know. If you're civil in the comments, 99% chance I'll respond to you within 3 to 4 days. Sometimes I'm away from my computer for 3 to 4 days. I know it sounds impossible, but I am not always home staring at my computer. And I don't have this on my phone, so, forget that. Okay, 250 trees in a park. Of these, 6% are birch trees. How many birch trees in the park? So basically, if we rephrase it, the kids next door are just shooting each other. I mean, not with real guns, but, it's the United States, so you'd be surprised. Okay, what is 6% of 250? Okay, A is B% of C. Okay, what's unknown? We don't know. Okay, A, B, C. What's the unknown? It's the A. Okay, B value is 6. I know it's 6%. You're wanting to write 0.06. We'll write 6 as 6% for this part of the program. So 250. Okay, good. 8, 15 birch trees in the park. Okay, good. Sounds about right. Okay. Oh my gosh. Textbook. Option 4 again. A is B% of C. Boom. What's the unknown? Oh man, A is B% of C. B is the unknown. Okay, good. Finally, A is getting a rest. Here's the unknown. 13 is the A. 25 is the C. Oh, 52%. Yeah, that sounds right. Because 13 is a little over half of 25, by the way. Half of 25 is 12.5. Not that you're asking, but I'm just telling you. I know. Old tongues love to wag. Okay, we continue. Look at this. Result of increasing quantity X by 1,800% is 684. So watch. Remember X? Guess what it is? It's 100% of X. Okay. Remember I said it's so important? Hot pink triangle, baby. There we go. Okay. Or hot pink box. It's not a triangle. Oh my gosh. I teach geometry and I think that's a triangle. Oh my goodness. Okay, watch this. So X is, X is 100% of X. So this unknown value, right? We're going to add 1,800%. All right, so 1,900%. So basically we're saying 684 is 1,900% of X. What is the unknown? So we've got A, B, and C. Oh my gosh, finally, C is the unknown. C is the unknown. Option 3 here in that submenu. So A value is 684. B value is 1,900 for 1,900%. And then, 36. Sounds about right. Okay, cool. 36. Okay, bam. Oh man, great. Last question, finally. Okay, good. I mean, I like it, but I'm kind of glad it's over. I've just done a ton of math videos and math stuff behind the scenes, man, this summer. I'm a little burned out. Okay, of 300,000 paper clips, 234,000 are size large. Look, if you have 300,000 paper clips, man, you're like a wholesaler, I hope. I mean, or you're just, man, a major hoarder. Okay, nothing against hoarders. You need a paper clip. I got paper clips. Come to Marty's paper clips. You got paper. You want large paper clips? We got 234,000. You need 250,000. You need to clean out our store and get 16,000 more. Oh my goodness. We got paper clips galore. Okay. Sorry. Can't help it. What percentage of the paper clip is size large? So look, 234,000 is, I don't know what percent of 300,000 paper clips. Man, you must have a big store. Maybe we'll call you not Staples, but Clips. Okay, watch. So A is B percent of C, option 4. Check it out. Yeah, you know what? We'll go orange here. A is the unknown percent of C. Okay, good. Finally, also 2, B is the unknown. We've done that a couple times now. So A value 234,000. Now I know the smart people here are like, oh, just take out the 3 zeros in each one of those. You can do that. You can just go 234 and 300, but whatever. Okay. C, 300,000. Bam, 78% size large. Hope you needed big paper clips. I hope you needed big paper clips. Great fasteners, by the way. Okay, enough of me jaw-jacking. Good luck in your SAT. You probably have it at the end of this week. Or, yeah, Saturday, August, whatever. Okay, August 20-something. Good luck on that. And good luck on any SAT you happen to take, or PSAT, ACT, everything's cool. Okay, good luck. Talk to you next time. Subscribe if you like it. If you don't, hey, man, flame in the comments. Just, if you're civil, man, I will. Look, people criticize and the program all the time. I'm usually in agreement with them if you read all my comments. I'm a realist. Okay, take care. I'll talk to you next time. Bye-bye.